Guys, welcome to chapter 4 part 2 of nursing aptitude and new video. Pharmacy department. The pharmacy department is responsible for managing medication therapy for patients. The department is staffed pharmacists and pharmacy technicians who work together to ensure that patients receive safe and effective medications therapy. The pharmacy department works closely with other departments such as OPD and the IP to provide comprehensive care to patients. The pharmacy department is responsible for dispensing medication, providing and medication education to patients, and monitoring medication therapy. The department also ensures that medication records are properly documented and that our medication storage and handling are in compliance regulating standards. Next topic is radiology department. X-ray. The radiology department X-ray is responsible for providing diagnostic imaging services to patients. The department is staffed by radiologists, radiologic technologists, and other allied health professionals who work together to provide high quality diagnostic imaging services to patients. The radiology department works closely with other departments such as the IP and the medical department to provide comprehensive care to patients. The radiology department provides various diagnostic imaging services such as X-rays, CT scans, MRI scans, and the ultrasound scans to help doctors diagnose the treat medical conditions. The department also ensures that imaging equipment is properly maintained and that imaging procedures performed safely and effectively. Next topic is dietary department. The dietary department is responsible for providing nutritious meals to patients. The department is staffed by dietitians, food services workers, and the other allied health professionals who work together to ensure that patients receive appropriate and nutritious meals during their hospital stay. The dietary department works closely with other departments such as the nursing department and the medical department to provide comprehensive care to patients. The dietary department is responsible for developing and implementing individualized nutrition plans for patients, taking into account their medical conditions and dietary preferences. The department also ensures that food service is compliance with regulatory standards and that food preparation and handling are done safely and effectively. Next topic is non-professional service business management. Non-professional service business management department is responsible for managing the administrative and financial operations of the hospital. The department is staffed by professionals in areas such as finance, human resource, information technology, and facilities management. The non-professional services department works closely with other departments such as the medical record department and the personnel department to ensure that the hospital operates efficiently and effectively. The non-professional service department is responsible for managing the hospital's finance, including budgeting, billing, and revenue management. The department also oversees the hospital information technologies systems, ensuring that they are reliable, secure, meet regulatory requirements. In addition, the department manages the hospital's facilities, ensuring that they are well maintained and provide a safe and comfortable environment for patients and staff. Next topic is medical record department MRD. The medical record department MRD is responsible for managing patient records. The department is established by medical records technicians who work together to ensure the patient's records are accurate, complete, and confidential. The medical record department works closely with other departments such as the medical department and the nursing department to provide comprehensive care to patients. The medical record department is responsible for managing patients' records, including medical history, the test results, and treatment plans. The department also ensures that records are properly coded and stored and that they comply with regulatory standards. The department plays a crucial role in facilitating communications and among healthcare providers and ensuring continuity of care for patients. Next department is personnel department. Personnel department is responsible for managing hospitals, human resources. The department is staffed by human resources professionals who work together to require, hire, and train employees, as well as to ensure compliances with labor laws and regulations. The personnel department works closely with other departments such as the nursing department and the medical department to ensure that the hospital has an adequate and well-trained workforce. The personnel department is responsible for recruiting and hiring staff as well as developing and implementing employee training programs. The department also manages employee benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans and ensure that the hospital complies with labor laws and regulations. In addition, the department plays a critical role in maintaining a positive and supportive work environment for staff. Conclusion. In conclusion, the various departments of hospital play crucial roles in providing comprehensive and high-quality healthcare to patients, from the OPD and the IP, which provide outpatients and inpatients care, to the medical department, which provides direct patient care, to the nurses department, which provides direct patient care, to the paramedical department, which conducts diagnostic tests and provides therapeutic services. Each department contributes to the overall care of patients. Other departments such as surgical medicine and rehabilitation department, the OT complex, the pharmacy department and the radiology department, the veterinary department and the non-professional service department, the medical record department and the personnel department provide initial support services that enable the hospital to operate efficiently and efficiently. Together, these departments form a complex interdependent system is forced on the meeting healthcare needs of patients. Chapter 4 is finished, and if you like the video, then comment, share and subscribe my channel and wait for next video.